it's zooming in on your face.
Okay, so can I have some weird fruit thing?
Cuteness. Look at that, you're so cute. Here, Kira.
You're tasting it.
Fruit bar for you.
Stop it.
I just can't look in here because I don't know what's in there. I
Oh.
want to know.
Kira,
a banana across the room.
why?
It was a big video with
Stop it.
No, you're such a nerve. You're a nerve.
I'm a nerd.
I know, that's what I said.
No, I don't want a video of Dylan. Jeez.
I'm
Kira's like,
trying to find. Kira,
I can't see Desiree at all. It's just her bag.
My
There you-
bag.
What kinds do you want?
What kind do you have?
We don't really know. I can't find any. Oh, I got makeup or something under my nail.
I'm gonna turn it towards me.
Possibly.
Something flew up from your bag in my eye.
You're in like a dark corner. Probably because of
Well,
there. Now you're all light and you can see you.
Dude.
Oh my God, they're so tiny. It looks like rice.
they've been in my town.
Why is it pushed up so much? You're putting it back up more. Stop it. Why did you push it up so fast? I didn't
you sneezed on my hand. do, do, do. Do, do, do. I'm turning it towards me.
My nose.
Yay.
I think it was easier.
I'm gonna get this
Did
one.
you get that on the video?
Not the first one. I'm gonna try to
I
get
want to
this one.
sneezing it now.
Why?
Okay.
I see.
I don't think I'm gonna sneeze it.
Where are the fruit things?
She
Look, I was looking. Okay, Harry.
Why does Kira keep hiding her face?
I don't know, but she's beautiful.
No.
Okay, she stopped. No, look for the fruit thing.
No, she didn't. Go away. You're fast.
I really need to.
Ow!
I want to sneeze.
Pull my hair.
Danielle,
Yeah.
show your face to the
Oh.
I got a
Here's
little
your
bit.
bunnies.
No, it's just gonna stay on.
Danielle, stop so she can look for the fruit things.
Okay.
Okay, Kira. Kira, she's not. Kira.
I'm legit not. I'm gonna actually stop it now.
On my face.
Yes.